If you want to learn how to make money online transcribing with Speechpad, stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online with Speechpad.com. So Speechpad is one of the best quality transcription platforms out there on the market. They have tons of corporate customers including Amazon, LinkedIn, Yahoo, and Netflix. They provide tons of services from transcription to standard captions and even premium captions. If you want to make money online with Speechpad.com, then you need to become a transcriber. So to do that, once you hit the home page, you scroll down the bottom, and then it says interested in becoming a transcriber. Then you click learn more about our team. If you become a transcriber on Speechpad.com, you can work when and where you want. You can see there's no upfront investment. You will get paid on time twice a week, regardless how much you earn, and you can pick your own jobs, which is pretty cool. You can earn 25 cents to $2.50 per minute, and if you're a translator, you can make $2 to $5 per minute, which is a lot more. The amount of money you earn is based on the pay per minute, the priority, the audio quality, language, and there are a ton of other factors too. So if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see that there are over 2,000 minutes of audio and video waiting to be transcribed, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of opportunities, and the shortest file is 34 seconds, and then the longest one is over 2 hours. So what makes Speechpad different? Well, they have really great support, they have really great tools, and they have tons of great opportunities. Because Speechpad is a global company, they have support globally, so they have 24-hour-a-day support. The tools are top-notch, and you can advance into higher roles within Speechpad so you can start making more money. So once you're ready to apply, you can click this button, fill out their form, and you can check out all the application information that you need to become a transcriber on their site. It's a really great opportunity. They're one of the best in the business, and I highly recommend it. Although transcribing can be a great job to have, it's not passive income. It takes a lot of upfront effort, and you have to put a lot of time in and a lot of work in order to transcribe things on a daily basis just to earn a decent amount of money. Plus, it's going to take a long time to advance into roles where you're getting paid more competitively. There are much better ways to make money online. If you want to make money online fast and you want to do it passively, I'm talking when you wake up in the morning, you look at your phone and it says, oh wow, you just made $100 or even $1,000, then I suggest that you look into affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or digital consulting. Those three business models are sustainable and have been proven to help people make over 6 to 7 figures online. If you want to learn how to start your own business from one of those business models, I have the #1 training on the market that will help you leave your 9-to-5 job, start your own business, and start making passive income. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, I'll put the link above and in the description. You can go to there and you can fill out your email address, and then you can take the #1 training on the market to help you start your business today so you can start earning passive income. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.